What's up guys, Donovan Wagner here, and today I'm going to go over simple lighting setups for corporate headshots. Stick around. Headshots aren't always the most fun to take, and people typically don't like having them done. So let's eliminate the overwhelming sensation to that by narrowing down how you can set up your lights for a fail-proof headshot every time. Headshots seem like a very simple photo to take, however they still have their own challenges. When I first started doing headshots, the most intimidating part of it was using studio lighting and gear, setup, and this was a very unknown thing for me. So today I'm going to break down how I use a 3-light setup just for a fail-proof headshot every time. So the first light I always think about is my key light. So your key light is the main light that's going to be hitting your subject, typically from a 45-degree angle or to your taste. So once you've assessed what side the model likes more, I would place the key light on that side. The second light you're going to need to think about, which can be done with a reflector as well, is your fill. So I will typically put a reflector on the other side of the light, and that will bounce some light back to fill the shadow. If you don't have a reflector but you do have a second light to use, that would be a good opportunity to use your second light at a lower power than your primary key light, and that would just be to fill some shadows. Now that you have your subject lit perfectly the way you want, then you have to think about the background. So in this scenario, I'm talking a high key headshot, which is a pitch white background. For this, you have to think about how you're going to light the background. Although yes, that is white paper behind me, it won't look white when you're competing with the strobes. In fact, you probably see many headshots on a gray background, when in reality that is a white paper backdrop, it's just there's no light hitting that. So what I'll do is I will place another strobe that just aims directly at the background. That will just blow out the highlights, making it pure white. And that is the look I'm trying to achieve here. Once you find a setup that works best for you, I highly recommend placing tape on the floor so that you know exactly where to place your lights when you have headshots clients coming in. This will save you some time and stress, and you will kind of rest assured that you're going to get good shots. From this point on, it's in your hands to make sure that your subject has a great experience. Try to make them laugh, because remember, comfort shows more in a headshot than anything else. I hope this helps you guys get some stellar headshots this year. If you have any more questions at all for me regarding studio lights or anything photography or video related, leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you guys. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. This series was filmed at the Hiilite Creative Group studio in Kelowna, British Columbia, and is made with the help of our creative team. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and check us out at hiilite.com.